morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about pronouns. Let's just begin with the title of our chapter is the pronoun, जिसमें हम उनके number, gender और case तीनों पढ़ेंगे, right? There is a warm up over here that why are the pronouns they are used in the language? Make a list of pronouns which is given below in the space. So we will be studying that why pronouns are used in order to avoid the repetition of nouns. And कुछ pronouns क्या होते हैं? I, he, she, it, they, etc. Right? You just read the following sentences carefully. Krishna is a poor farmer. वो बहुत ही poor farmer है. He has a wife and 2 children. 2 children हैं उसके और एक वाइफ है. वो अपनी फैमिली को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता है. He loves his family very much. And one day उसके जो सन है सेड पापा आई नीड सम मनी, मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. आई नीड सम रुपीज, प्लीज गिव मी 1000 रुपीज दे दीजिए. वी हैव टू बाय सम बुक्स, हमें कुछ बुक्स बाय करनी है. कृष्णा ने उसके फादर ने सेड डोंट वरी, यू कैन टेक द रुपीज फ्रॉम योर मदर, यू कैन टेक द मनी अमाउंट फ्रॉम योर मदर. अब सेंटेंसेस में जो कलर्ड वर्ड है ही, हिज, आई, मी, वी, you, your, they are used in place of what? They are used in place of nouns, and Krishna, son, mother, children, hence these all are pronouns, right? So thus we can say that the words which are used in place of nouns, they are known as pronouns, right? Moving on to the kinds of pronoun, the pronouns, they are of 9 types, and of course they are. First one is the personal pronouns, the pronouns which is used for 3 persons, that is first, second and third, they are known as personal pronouns बोलते हैं उन्हें. You just read the following sentences. जैसे कि I took the table to the room, we visited the mall yesterday, right? You should help the needy. He completed his work. उन्होंने अपना काम कर लिया. They jumped into the river. It's a dog, right? Now in the above sentences, I, you, they, we, he, his, it, ये सब क्या है? They are used for the persons and animals, and hence they are known as personal pronoun. Personal pronoun के 3 persons होते हैं. The first one is the first person, second is the second person, and third one is the third person. First person means which refers to the person speaking. जैसे कि मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ तो I am the first person. They are known as the first person pronouns, right? Read the following sentences. I helped Jay with rupees. We took a bath in a river, right? Bharti give me a gift. Bharti ने मुझे gift दिया. The car belongs to us, right? Above sentences में जो I, we, me और अस है, ये सब क्या है? ये वो रेफर कर रहे हैं उन पर्सन्स को जो लोग बोल रहे हैं. एंड हेंस these are the pronouns of first person, right? Moving on to the second person, the persons which refers to the person spoken, जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं, they are known as second person pronouns, right? Just read the following sentences. You are my friend, आप मेरे दोस्त हो, and I give you a story book, और मैंने आपको अपनी story book दी है. इन sentences में this you and you they refers to the second person जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं, and hence these pronouns are of the second person. Third person, the pronouns which refers to the person and things which is spoken out, इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस बोलते हैं. जैसे रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस वेरी केयरफुली. ही गेट्स अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, शी इज कुकिंग फूड फॉर मी, मेरे लिए खाना बना रही है. इट इज 10 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम माई हाउस एंड दे वर प्लेइंग इन द प्लेग्राउंड में खेल रहे हैं. आई वॉन्ट हर टू सी, कि वो देखे. अभी इन्हीं सेंटेंसेज में ही, शी, इट, दे, हर, ऑल दीज रेफर्स टू द पर्सन और थिंग which is spoken about, so these pronouns are known as third person. Demonstrative pronouns क्या होते हैं? Demonstrative pronouns are basically used to point out the objects जिनको आप रेफर कर रहे हैं, to which they refer, right? You just read the following sentences. This is a crow, ये एक crow है. That is my house, ये मेरा house है. These are my grapes and those are your grapes. This, that, these, those, ये सब क्या है? In the above sentences, this, that, these, those, they are used as pronoun, and hence इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस बोलते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर यूज्ड टू पॉइंट आउट समथिंग, कुछ किसी चीज को डिनोट कर रहे हैं, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे हैं पर्सन्स और थिंग्स को. मूविंग ऑन टू द फैक्ट फाइल, दिस एंड दैट दे आर यूज्ड इन सिंगुलर, वी ऑल नो, एंड दीज एंड दोज दे आर यूज्ड इन प्लूरल. दिस और दीज दे आर यूज्ड उन चीजों के लिए जो हमारे पास हैं, एंड दैट and those refers to those things which are lying on a distance, lying at a distance. Demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Just read the following sentences carefully. This is my car. This stands for the noun, that is car, and therefore it is a pronoun. And this car is mine. ये मेरी कार है. This qualifies the noun and qualifies the noun car, and therefore ये क्या है? एक adjective है. These are the woolen gloves. This is demonstrative pronoun, क्योंकि हम बता रहे हैं कि ये woolen gloves हैं, but ये gloves मेरे हैं. These gloves are woolen. ये gloves woolen के हैं. This is demonstrative adjective. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ग्लव्स की क्वालिटी बता दी है कि वो वुलन है, बट ये बोल दिया कि ये वुलन ग्लव्स हैं. दिस इज डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. वी शुड रिमेंबर दैट एडजेक्टिव इज यूजुअली प्लेस्ड जस्ट बिफोर द नाउन, जिसको हम क्वालिफाई करते हैं. द थर्ड वन इज द इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस, द प्रोनाउंस व्हिच आर यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस अबाउट पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल्स एंड थिंग. दे आर नोन एज इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन, एंड हेंस दे आर used at the beginning of the sentence. जैसे कि who is standing at the door and which is your book, कौन सी आपकी बुक है. above sentences में who और which जो है They are used to ask the question and hence they are known as interrogative pronouns. Special use of what आप कहाँ करेंगे? Read the following sentences. This is the question and this is their answer. What is Mr. Raghav? Mr. Raghav is a doctor, right? What are these boys? These boys are players. What is your son? My son is a loco pilot. What are you looking for? I'm looking for a job. Above sentences mein what is an interrogative pronoun? It is used for asking the questions about profession, occupation and employment of persons, or you can say of one person or more than one person. Fourth one is the distributive pronouns. The pronouns which are used as distributives of nouns, unko bolte hain distributive pronoun. You just read the following sentences. Each of the girl got a prize. Either of the roads, दोनों में से कोई एक जाती है रेलवे स्टेशन की तरफ. Neither of the blame is false. Above sentences में each, either, neither, they are used as the distribution of girls, road and blames, और सब के सब nouns हैं. That is why they are known as distributive pronouns. Next is possessive pronouns. Possessive means belongingness. The pronouns which is used to show possession, इसको हम possession pronoun बोलते हैं. Read the following sentences. This bike is mine. The black scooty is ours, हमारी है. This bag is yours. These books are his. ये किताबें उसकी हैं. This crockery is there. ये उनकी है. This doll is her. ये doll उसकी है. Right? Above sentences में mine, ours, his, her, theirs, ये सब they have been used instead of what? Noun to show the possession, and hence they are known as possessive pronouns. Right? Next one is the indefinite pronouns. The pronouns which is used to refer a noun in a general way. उसी को हम बोलते हैं indefinite pronoun. You have to read the following sentences. One should help the poor. Someone called me. किसी ने मुझे बुलाया है. A few were absent in the class. None was waiting for me there. Above sentences में one, someone, a few, none, it refers to the person or things जो कि एक general way में आपको नहीं पता कि कौन है, particular में नहीं है, not in particular. That is why they are known as infinite pronouns. Next is reflexive. The pronouns which is used as an object of the verb, कि जब doer और receiver of the action जो है they are the same. जब हमारा करने वाला और receive करने वाला दोनों same होंगे, then it is known as reflexive pronouns. Just read the following sentences. I blame myself for the mistake. Right? We introduce ourselves to the guest को हमने introduce किया खुद को. You are walking yourself. The footpath पे आप खुद जा रहे हैं. He hurt himself while climbing on the ladders. She hid herself behind the tree. The dog washed itself in the pond. खुद से धो लिया. They went home themselves. खुद से गए. Above sentences में myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, ये सब क्या है? They have been used as the object of the verb in the sentence and thus they refers to the same person, place, animal and thing as subject and object, और इसलिए हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Reflexive pronoun. Next is emphatic or you can say emphasizing pronouns. The pronouns which is used to emphasize a noun and a pronoun, उसको हम emphasizing pronoun बोलेंगे. जैसे read the following sentences. The first one is I myself carry the luggage to the station. पे लेके गई. We ourselves serve the food. हमने food को serve किया. You yourself solve the problem. Daksh himself planted the tree. Renu herself made tree and they themselves arranged the function. Right? The wooden roof itself fell down. Above sentences में जो myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself and themselves हैं and itself है, they are used to emphasize either a person or a thing and that is why they are known as emphatic or you can say emphasizing pronouns. Moving on to the next is relative pronouns. The pronouns which refers to a noun right before going before it, इसको हम relative pronoun बोलेंगे. You have to read the following sentences. He is the child who was hiding behind the door. तो door के पीछे छुप रहा था. This is the man whose son has got the first rank. This is the shirt जो मैं last year लेकर आया था. This is the house which belongs to my grandparents and this is the girl whom teacher scolded. Above sentences में who, whose, that, which, whom, they have been used to refer to the nouns that go before them and hence they are known as relative pronouns. Right? There is a quick short fact file that the nouns with relative pronouns they are known as antecedent बोलते हैं. Generally who, whom, whose they are used for the pronouns which or that they are used for the animals and thing and relative pronoun दो sentences को join करते हैं. There is a quick short recap. Pronouns they are used in place of nouns. We all know this. The pronouns are of 9 types: personal, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, reflexive, emphasizing जिसको हम emphatic बोलते हैं, possessive, indefinite and relative pronouns. Right? Personal pronouns 3 टाइप के होते हैं, first person, second person and third person respectively. Relative pronouns दो sentences को join करते हैं. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing with the OMR sheet which has been given over here. Pronouns are used in place of what? They are used in place of nouns. Right? It's a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun क्या है? We. Right? It is the first pronoun, that is I. Right? It is the third, that is I he, she, it, they, this, they, not all of these. इसका आंसर होगा all of these. Yes, I thought that all of these is not given in the option. It is given, so answer would be all of these. ये एक रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन है, दैट इज माई सेल्फ, राइट. और एक ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव है, ये जो है ईच, एवरी, बोथ, both. Answer is C, right? You have to fill in the blanks with the possessive pronouns. See this photo, it is her, ये उसकी है, right? This notebook is not mine, it is yours, ये आपकी है, right? He give me his bag, I give him yours. I give him mine, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं आप. Right? This toy is mine, ये toy मेरा है, right? The box which is kept outside is yours, वो आपका है. This is my cow, where is yours? It is yours, right? Moving on to the next is, of course, we'll be studying about pronouns में number के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे, right? जैसे nouns में होते हैं, ऐसी तरीके से pronoun के भी दो नंबर होते हैं. First one is the singular, next one is the plural. सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. द प्रोनाउंस विच आर यूज फॉर वन पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल एंड थिंग, उसको हम बोलते हैं सिंगुलर नंबर, जैसे कि आई, यू, ही, शी, इट, राइट. प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? दैट आर यूज, प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस आर यूज फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन और थिंग एंड दे आर सेड टू बी इन द प्लूरल नंबर, सच as you, we, they, etc. There is a fact file that you is used in singular as well as plural. It is used for one person and you is said to be in a singular number, and if it is more than one person, then you is said to be in a plural number. ठीक है, both in both the cases जो plural form है verb की, that is you are a student, आप एक student हैं, and you are players, right? Next one is gender. देखिए जो first और second person pronouns हैं, they can be used for both masculine and feminine gender, दोनों के लिए. he, him, his ये सब masculine है, she, her and hers ये सब feminine gender है, और it is used for the neutral but can also be used for small children and animals, or they, them, their, they are used for all the genders. Gender of relative and interrogative pronouns के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Look at these sentences. Which of these pen is yours? This is neutral, right? Who is your father? Of course, this is masculine, क्योंकि हम ये मेल के बारे में पढ़े हैं. Who is your sister? This is feminine, right? Who is that man? Of course, again it's masculine, right? This is the book जिसको हमने पढ़ा है, which you have read. It's neutral actually. This is the woman who live कानपुर में रहती है, who lives in Kanpur. This is feminine. And this is the toy who help you. This is masculine, right? Above sentences में you just note relative and interrogative pronouns, and of course they are used for what? They are used for both male and female. Gender जो है pronoun का, it depends upon the noun for which जिसके person के जिस pronoun के बारे में वो use हो रहा है. Moving on to the fact file, interrogative or relative pronoun जो है, it is used to be in the same gender as the noun for which it is used. Thus, generally we have who for masculine and feminine, which is used for the neutral, and that is used for all the three genders. Moving on to the case, right? You just read the following sentences. इसको हम बोलेंगे he eats food. She will give me a mango. This bag is not mine. We are friends. हम लोग दोस्त हैं. These books are theirs. वो उनके. They went to the park to play football. Above sentences में he, me, mine, we, their, theirs, they are used to show a relationship for what to the another words which is given in the sentence, and hence they are known as, and hence we can say the form of a verb which shows a relationship to the another noun in a sentence. ये क्या denote करता है? Case, right? Like nouns and pronouns, इसके तीन case होते हैं. First is nominative case, second is objective, and third one is possessive case respectively. You have to study the following table and show the pronouns which is used in those. First is nominative, second is objective, and the last one is possessive. देखिए I का objective me और possessive क्या होगा? Mine होगा. V का us and ये क्या होगा? Ours, right? U का you और ये क्या होगा? Yours. He का क्या होगा? Him और his, right? She का her and hers, right? They का them or theirs, right? Pronoun is used as an object in the sentence. It is said to be in a nominative case बोलते हैं, and we put a question who to the sentence, who to the verb in a sentence to get to the subject, and it is said to be in the nominative case. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Nominative. In the same way, अगर हम question put up करें whom to the verb of the object, मतलब object को लेने के लिए तो जो हम word use करेंगे, we get it is said to be in an objective case. So when we put a question whose, then जो word उसका answer होगा, it is said to be in the possessive case में. There is a quick short recap. Like nouns and pronouns, like nouns, pronouns के भी दो नंबर होते हैं, singular और plural. You is used as both singular and plural, so we take always as a plural verb. Like nouns, pronouns के चार gender होते हैं, masculine, feminine, neuter and common. Right? Pronouns do have three cases: nominative, objective and possessive. Right? Now moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing this OMR sheet that pronouns have dash numbers. देखिए अभी हमने यहाँ पढ़ा है कि like noun pronouns have also two numbers. So its answer क्या होगा? 2. Right? You is used in what? Singular and plural both. So answer would be C. Right? The possessive case of who का क्या हो जाएगा? देखिए हमने who का अभी हमने यहाँ possessive case पढ़ा नहीं है, तो who का basically whom होता है actually. We is used in place of what? We is used for both common. Right? Now moving on to the next, we have to write down the case कि आप colored pronouns के क्या case है. जैसे ये क्या है, that I covered him with a sheet of cloth. This is a nominative case. Right? The next one is you and he. You and he went to Delhi. Again, it's a nominative case. Right? When we were in Missouri, we met you. देखिए again ये क्या है? It's a nominative case. Next is you give me a pen. देखिए what is you? You तो हो गया यहाँ पे nominative case. So for nominative I'm writing NOM. And for me क्या होता है? Me is an objective. So I'm writing objective. Right? Next is he went to visit the Taj Mahal. So the Taj Mahal, again it's a nominative case. Right? You do your work and your brother does his. You क्या होगा? You of course it's nominative. और यहाँ पे ये जो his है, his is possessive. Right? I have a brother and I love him very much. देखिए I क्या है यहाँ पे? Of course it's a nominative case. और ये जो है him, it's an objective case. This book is mine, it is your, both are possessive, right? Moving on to the next, you have to underline the pronouns in the following sentences and you have to write the gender. Whom did you met on this way? देखिए view कोई भी हो सकता है, तो it is a common gender, right? Next is this is the best book that I have read. Again, it's a common gender, right? This is the girl whose car has been stolen. ये girl यहाँ पे है, so ये क्या है? Feminine. Lucky, whose father is in Delhi, has taken the admission here. ये देखिए ये Lucky is a boy, so it's a masculine. Right? The boy whom you saw in the room is my cousin. Again, it's a masculine gender. I saw Ankur and he knows me. Ankur क्या है? Masculine. Nature has its own laws. Of course, this is common. Right? I do my work and she does her. देखिए she, of course, it's female, so it's feminine. Right? Next is we have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the pronouns. Dash. I am doing my homework. मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ. She is playing with my doll. वो मेरी डॉल के साथ खेल रही है. Dash call my cat Pussy. She call my cat Pussy. And here is the pen. You may take yours. You may take it. आप ये ले सकते हैं. Right? We often deceive her. Dash does his homework. He does her. She नहीं आएगा. He आएगा यहाँ पे. Right? This is he. They love themselves. दिस गन इज नॉट माइन, ये गन मेरी नहीं है, राइट. So that was all about pronouns. Please go through this, learn all the rules and learn all the previous concepts. Keep doing hard work and stay blessed. Thank you.